Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into one of the most important discoveries in science, the discovery of the electron. But before we start, I want you to remember this simple rule. Like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Let's jump back to the year 1830 when a scientist named Michael Faraday made a key discovery. He passed electricity through a solution and noticed something interesting happening at the ends of the setup, what we call electrodes. Faraday realized that electricity might be made up of tiny particles. So, what do you think that means about electricity? Could it be more than just energy? A few decades later, scientists experimented with electricity in a new way. They created something called a cathode ray tube. Let's see how it works. They put two metal pieces called electrodes in a glass tube with very little air inside. When they turned on the high voltage, a stream of invisible particles flowed from the cathode to the anode. Now, let's break down what they discovered. First, cathode rays always start at the negative side and move towards the positive side. Opposite attract. Remember? Second, even though the rays are invisible, we can see their effects using material like zinc sulfide, which glows when the rays hit it. Third, these rays move in a straight lines unless something like a magnetic field bends them. Scientists realized these rays were made up of negatively charged particles, electrons, right? Here is the really cool part. No matter what gas they put into the tube or what metal they used, the same kind of rays always appeared. This means that electrons are a part of every atom. Electrons are everywhere, inside you, me, and everything around us. These cathode ray tubes were actually used in older TVs and computer monitors. The glow you saw on those screens was caused by electrons hitting special materials, making them light up. Today we use modern screens like LEDs and LCDs, but the discovery of electrons was key in developing the technology we use today. Let's recap what we learned today. 1. Cathode rays are streams of electrons. 2. Electrons are negatively charged particles found in all atoms. 3. These experiments were a big step towards discovering the structure of the atom. Now, let's see how much you remember. Can anyone tell me why cathode rays move from the negative side to the positive side? Because opposite attract. Exactly. Great job. Everyone, next time we will dive even deeper into the atom and meet the protons and neutrons. Get ready for more particle fun. Bye bye.